Hello YouTube friends and subscribers. What we're going to do today is have a go at repairing a small split I put in a shower panel, one of those PVC panels. I've slightly enlarged that split so that we can get more repair material in the damaged area. Stay tuned to see what happened next. When I've tried to force that sheet into that metal channel, I have somehow managed to put a split in that sheet, which is a disaster, and it's a fail in my opinion. But this proves yet again there's more to fitting these sheets than meets the eye. What we're going to do, there's nothing to lose now. Got hold of something called Milliput. Now I've done a couple of practices on some offcuts and I think we stand a chance of improving this situation that we've got. Right, this stuff comes in two parts. So you have part A and part B, and you mix equal proportions, and then when you've got it to something a bit like a putty, you bung it in the hole, smooth it as much as possible, and when it goes off, it is absolutely rock hard. So there's part A and part B. See if we can mix these together. But what you don't want is lashings of it in the wrong places, because you don't want to be trying to sandpaper this back afterwards. I think the trick with this is just to do a small amount at a time. That's gone off now. That is absolutely rock hard there. It's just a tiny bit below the surface. So what I'm going to do is knock up a little bit more gear, some very runny stuff, and just see if I can raise that surface up to the exact level of this plastic stuff. Well, that's about as good as I can do this repair. Obviously you'd be better off not putting yourself in the position in the first place where you need to fix something, but accidents happen, and if you're a bit clumsy like me, you wind up with a crack in your sheet or a little bit of a dink. You've got to make repairs. So that is about as good as I can get that. It's very hard, this stuff, once it goes off, and very flat, and it's a tiny bit too white actually for this application. We've used this stuff. Other products are available. this comes in two parts. You can repair your UPVC window sills, window frames and other things with that, and well, it seems to set extremely hard, and hopefully that is going to last quite a long time. Thanks for watching, everybody, and hope you found that interesting. Leave some comments below if you can think of a better way to fix damaged shower panel sheets.